Just finished up that field, load number 2. Load number 2. We got the grain a little bit cleaner, not as much cob in it. Alright, here's load number 3. It's my wagon with the new extension boards we put on. Well, I just moved that's not good. I just moved that a little bit. And that wood just broke right there. Old and rotten, needs replaced. Can't take the weight. Nah, we're doing it last. Now we're doing mine last. Not really. I got in pretty good this year. Right after Memorial Day I was done. That's the goal. So since I'm hauling, we got to use my dump trailer. My other one, we're going to use a dump truck. I just broke my gravity wagon. The frame's shot on it, rotten wood. So they got, looks like about 4 passes around this field, and he's full. So we're going to have to, hopefully with the dump trailer and the dump truck, we can haul a little faster. Losing corn out the side. This is good. We've only done a few laps around the first field and this wagon's full. Well, it's good and bad. I don't have the means to haul it. He's full. This wagon, this is about full. Everything's about full and we're not even into it. Oh my. Yeah, this thing's about, he'll be able to maybe fill up here. Side. We're utilizing everything today. Fertilizer down and putting the fertilizer down and lime in it. I mean, not fertilizer, lime, and because normally these 3 fields over here don't do that well. We're not even, or maybe halfway in this field, and everything's like filling up. Whatever you have beans here last year, yeah. Looking good. We're still in the first field over here, and she's yielding pretty well compared to previous years.
Left the big city for the simple country life. Found myself a woman that it took for me to be my wife. I was working on the ground come the sun up to sundown. Hey, I'm trying to make a reputation for a man inside this town. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, no George Jones and Gary Sturt and all them young guns, yeah, they've been through. Tell you one thing that you won't believe. One ain't nothing but a thing to me. Burn right through them like a cigarette or a line of cocaine on a private jet. I give them good loving like they won't forget. Baby, good Lord knows what time it is. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk.
All right, the feed mill's full. So I'm at another place to. They have a drive-through pit here, but there's stuff set up on the other side right now. They're loading whatever into one of those bins, so you can't drive through. So I'm gonna have to back this gravity wagon in. That'll be fun. But the other mill is full, so they won't be taking corn for like 3-4 days. So I'm here. Mark went to the other place. Gotcha. Yep. Yeah, typically I don't haul it, somebody else. We got the Mort's dump trailer full now, and the dump truck's almost full. This field's almost all off but one pass. The little field's all off over there, and he's in the back field now, which that's probably only like 3 or 4 acres. Pheasant just came out of there. That last little bit of corn. Awesome. But this should be it for these 3 fields. I've been waiting to dump a lot, so I haven't got a lot of video of the actual harvest. He's about full in the hopper too. These fields did really good this year. All right, we're getting started in my field. I'd be surprised if he can make it one lap around without being full. Luckily, the outside couple rows usually get hit the hardest, so a little less cobs on some of the plants, but still he has a smaller grain tank on that combine to I was thinking he was just going to take the four, I have 4 rows on the, or sorry, 4 passes on the front of the field, end rows, to open it up, but he went around. Because I just need a third of a gravity wagon to be full. There's my broke gravity wagon over there. Gonna have to probably put the loader underneath it and get the corn out of it. It'll be fun.
Scales, just getting some samples.
So we got the end rows off and did a couple swipes, maybe, well, I don't know, looks like maybe 5 swipes up the middle, and combine's full right now. It had the unloading auger's broken, and he thought it was just a sprocket, and then after replacing the sprocket today, he found a bigger problem. So they took the combine home. They had to get the grain out of the grain tank, and he's got to make a repair on the unloading auger. So he said it's going to be a couple days. So that's all right. The corn's at about 23%, so it'll give it a chance to dry down a little bit more. We just have this whole field left. There's still a good bit of corn here, so that's good. All right, so we're back here at this mess. It rained all day yesterday. I had this wagon tarped. That's my new tire. It's like buckled. Still full of corn. Full of corn here, and I'm just gonna shovel it. I got one of these aluminum shovels. I'm just gonna start transferring it into this dump trailer. The combine's broke. They got the combine unloaded and it's over at their farm. I gotta get that wagon and deliver it, but I gotta get all this corn out of here. Eventually, when it gets low enough, I'll probably just put a tarp underneath the chute, empty a little bit out at a time and throw it in, but for now I'm just gonna shovel it. My blue tractor, I was gonna try putting the bucket under there, but that's not really gonna work too well with the way that offloading deal's set up. But the blue tractors won't regen right now. They got to bring a laptop out and unlock it, so that's fun. Just getting a little workout. Good times. This thing actually holds a lot of corn. If you look, it's not even quite down to this line all the way around. So there's still a good bit of corn in there. And I've almost got the dump trailer 2/3 full by shoveling. That actually raised enough that it's not on this wood anymore that I had to crib. There's no wood. So now I'm just gonna start open. It's tweaked though. You can see like the rim's tweaked. I'm just gonna let the corn out onto here and shovel it into this bucket. This tractor's in limp mode. It won't go above idle, but whatever. I'm used to dealing with problems, so I'm just gonna empty it out on this tarp, shovel it into the bucket, empty the bucket into the trailer for now. Yeah. That way. It's kind of going back under the trailer, so that's kind of a pain in the ass, but all right, I got that whole wagon unloaded into this dump trailer and it filled it to the top. I'm surprised how much that little wagon can hold. Full dump trailer load. That's probably around 11,000 pounds or so.